Hello, in this video I will going to show you how to install AppServ in Windows 10 and run a simple PHP and MySQL website on localhost. Let's get started. What is AppServ? AppServ is a full-featured of Apache MySQL PHP and phpMyAdmin, where you can set up in just 1 minute on Windows PC. First, download AppServ from their official website. Once the download completed, click AppServ to install. AppServ default location is C AppServ. If you need to change destination, click Browse button to change your destination for AppServ program. Click Next to go to next step. AppServ package components are checked by default. Click Next. You must specify server name, admin email, HTTP, and HTTPS port for Apache web server. Click Next. Enter root password for MySQL database. You have to take note the default user for this password is root. And lastly, click Install. Click to finish the installation. Let's now go to browser and type localhost. Your AppServ is now running. Let's test the newly installed AppServ by running a simple PHP website with MySQL database on localhost. Copy and paste the simple PHP website to your drive C, AppServ, and www folder. Set up and configure the database through phpMyAdmin. Create new database. Import the .SQL file. And click Go. AppServ is now working. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.